All right, moment of truth. Here we are, Ed. This is for you. I'm gonna try to keep this under 2 minutes as much as I can because I tend to talk so much. However, okay, before COA, before Client on Automation, I was a lost consultant. I left my job. I knew that I wanted to become an independent consultant and a coach. Didn't know how. I just followed the old traditional way, 7 step consulting, face to face. Tell me what's the problem. Let's analyze it. Let's go through 6 month, 8 month daily consulting on daily basis. Let me do the job for you. And that was so much overwhelming. Clients were not willing to pay for my high price, and I was not willing to actually sell it for a lower price because it's taking all my time. So it was so much overwhelming for me, so much overwhelming for my clients, and I was like literally lost. And I was in search for you, and luckily I found you. I really believe in fate. So I found you on Clubhouse by mistake. And the moment I heard you speaking, I said, okay, this is the guy, this is who can help me. I had no doubt that you can help some way, one way or another. I had no clue what you can help with. But the moment you said that you are a coach and consultant, for coach and consultant, I said, I never heard of that before. He definitely knows what I need. And that's why I jumped in. And I had no objections whatsoever for the price because I had in mind a certain investment that I need to do in learning. And to be honest, it's worth every single penny and more because I was able to return my investment in less than a month. Okay, well, not less than a month when I started, just less than a month when I just launched my program. Okay, when I went online in 1 month, I was able to return more, double almost my investment, and that's amazing. I never believed that I can do that. I never believed that I can be online because I'm kind of like freaked out from online thing, and this path is totally new for you. And the most important, your whole program helped me really get clear on what I can offer because I had so much information in my head, so much experience, and I didn't know how to really, how to say that, contain that in one single program that could be beneficial for my client. And your offer codex, the process of how to build the program and build it with the clients on the go, although I was really skeptical in the beginning, it's just so amazing. Once you understand it, you start going, wow. I start basically putting exactly the information that is really valuable and relevant to my client. And that was like the best lesson in my whole coaching and training career. Because before I used to build lots of trainings, and most of the time I find myself putting my thoughts in there, how things should work, and most of the time these thoughts are not really applicable to other people because they come from different background, different culture, different countries. They have different clients, they have different thinking, they have different visions. So once I understood my clients better, I was able to basically build a program that can fit multiple people, visions and profiles and experiences, and solve them all. And that's the beauty of building the program with multiple clients from different parts of the world. That's what I'm doing. My program is building really, really nicely. My clients are getting results in no time. Never thought I could do that. And all that is thanks to you. It's not only about the business perspective. I'm growing on a personal level. My mindset is shifting. My speech is changing. I cannot keep up with my learnings because I start doing something, and after each session, I learn something new, and then I go back and just refine what I already did because there's new learnings happening. So it's a work in progress all the way, and maybe it's becoming a little bit slow for me because as I'm learning, I'm going back to what I did and I'm just redoing things, and I'm totally happy with that. And with all that, I just, it's the best investment that I ever did, and I got you to thank. I got you to thank. Thank you, really. High five.